Welcome back, everyone. This is Cody Hart for Government Accountability. It has been a while, but I wanted to start giving you guys some more updates on what's been going on over the last several months, things I have not been talking about. So over the next several weeks and months, you will be updated on some very significant things that I've been working on, me and others. But today I wanted to share something else with you, something totally new. I got recently informed of another independent journalist, this time a former state attorney, who had some interactions here in Skagit County that I wanted to share with everyone. His name is Christopher King. He's a former state attorney, according to his YouTube channel, and he has some YouTube videos that I thought were really interesting because they directly involve Skagit County and some of the ongoing problems we've had here. They seem to reinforce. Others are seeing the same thing, and this time they've got it on video, just similar to what I've done in the past. And so today I just thought I would share that with you and give you some outside feedback on what it's like to deal with Skagit County, the Sheriff's Office, the Prosecuting Attorney's Office, and then I'm going to share something I've recently written about, and that's a little-known political scandal that's been growing. It's not by any means resolved, and it involves what Christopher King here exposes and some ongoing issues I'm dealing with. So I'll start off by letting you guys watch Mr. King introduce himself in part of this video, and I will explain that I have edited out the videos you're about to see are from a number of videos. There's a link in the description to Mr. King's YouTube channel, and you can watch the full videos. There's a number of them. They are much longer than this video is going to be, so feel free to watch them. But today I thought I'd go over some of the highlights.
Hi there. My name's Chris King, and I'm a local investigative journalist, former law enforcement attorney, and citizen concerned about a situation which this man, Michael Schermerhorn, complained about at this window and against him. So in essence, I'm going back to my ask. I'm asking, my issue here with the Skagit Sheriff and the prosecutor is that you wrongfully prosecuted innocent cannabis patients, one of whom has cancer. A couple of them do, I think. And as a journalist, I demand an answer as to why.
So that there was just a brief little clip, a snippet from a couple videos, so I could introduce you to Mr. King in his own words and a little bit about this subject. So this is all about cannabis patients and allegations about the sheriff's office basically tampering with evidence, and that's explained in this next video.
Now here's the crime. Do you see this Washington State Patrol report?
I can hear you. Let me speak.
Oh, I'm sorry. I hear traffic. I'm upset. Hey, guess what? You remember the FBI complaint? It's under investigation right now. The one you made fun of me about.
I don't make fun of you, Sheriff.
This is the evidence of the Skagit County Sheriff Officer badge number 4402, who manufactured evidence to state that we didn't have medical marijuana permits. He went right here and took his pen and put invalid instead of valid. No, I was assaulted, had my heart stopped because you guys didn't do your job. Get out of here. This is a crime committed right here by this officer. I need his name and number, and we want him removed from service. I'm an innocent crime victim who the sheriff's office deputy took a pen and took away her constitutional rights. No. Thank you, sir. I'm sorry you're the brunt of this. I want Tobin, Meyer. This was John Hamlin. I want him taken out of service now. Under investigation. And Tobin, Meyer.
So what was just explained there, and again, there are probably an hour or so of videos, if I saw correctly. This gentleman is stating, it's my understanding at least, that there are deputies in the sheriff's office who modified evidence, altered evidence, and in result, they took away this man's constitutional rights involving cancer patients and other cannabis patients. And I'll let him defend his own arguments. Again, the video is on Mr. King's website. But what was interesting to me is the people involved. So yes, we've had an ongoing problem with the sheriff's office. We've had a problem with them not addressing complaints against deputies in the office. And Tobin Meyer's name keeps coming up. Now, at the end of this video, I'm going to remind everybody of a very interesting new insight that I recently publicized involving Tobin Meyer and someone else we're about to talk about, and that is where this particular case involving King went. It went into the courthouse, Skagit County Courthouse, and I have some video here of Mr. King's involvement with someone that we all know, and that is a Mr. Erik Pedersen. And Erik Pedersen, for those who haven't been paying attention, he is currently running for Skagit County Prosecuting Attorney. I'm involved in a significant amount of litigation against him. I have a number of complaints against him, and I wanted to share what Mr. King, again, I don't know him, what his interaction with Mr. Pedersen was like.
And if I may, just for the record, Your Honor, real briefly, I just need to find out what the email address is. Sorry. Your Honor, may I approach?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Although I'm not sure that you're going to have that there's going to be an objection, sir, but get yourself in front of a microphone. You're Mr. King.
I am indeed, Your Honor. And I just want to be clear for the record, since I allegedly had an improper email address for one of the counsel here, I want to be certain of what that email address is on the record, because we've been through all this before you came online. And the whole discussion was that, Ms. Cook issued a declaratory statement that I could run video as I usually do all the time. And so I circulated that myself, accepting that notice, but said counsel behind me claims you didn't get it. So it's on the record. I need to find out what that email address is so there are no further mistakes. Thank you.
Thank you. Step back, sir. Mr. Pedersen, from the court's perspective, I don't need your email address on the record, but can you make sure that Mr. King has it so that he can get you a copy, sir?
Thank you. We want to make sure we get appropriate, if anything additional is filed, I'll make sure I do provide email to both the proper address for the court administrator, your judicial assistant, as well as Mr. Sherman.
Thank you so much, sir. And if you will give Mr. King an email address where he may properly reach you on professional matters, the court would appreciate it. Tuesday, 9:30. Look forward to meeting you in person. Thank you. We are adjourned.
Thank you. All right, well, we're one step closer to getting your stolen property back and your licensed property back, Michelle. One step closer.
Mr. Sherman,
Yeah.
I'm going to return this to you
Yeah.
today. Get another
Counsel, do you have a card with that email address for me? Counsel, can I have a card with your email address? You just made it an issue for the court. You just made it an issue, and so I'd like a card with your email address on it, sir. Sir? Sir?
I have other matters to attend.
No, you had a matter to attend to right now because you brought it up. You raised the issue about an incorrect email address. Now I'm politely asking you for your card to get the correct email address as the court just instructed you, and you're walking away from me. That's disrespectful. What makes you think you can do that?
I have other matters to attend to, like I told you.
You're lying to me because you just raised the issue. It takes no effort for you to give me a card.
I had a recall petition to address by another.
Could you state your proper email address then? Could you just state what it is, please? Are you too busy to tell me what your email address is? Sir?
You missed the period.
I missed the period? You make no sense. I'll make sure the judge sees this. Good night. What a guy.
Sir, you're a disgrace.
There are a lot of us out there that agree he is a disgrace. I personally think that, for what it's worth. So what we have here is someone else who's not me. People say sometimes this is Cody imagining some things, but nope, this is people who interact with the same people I interact with that now have, according to the video, they've got the FBI involved. I don't know the status of that, but I hope that they pursue it. And if there was a civil rights violation especially, I hope they do what they're supposed to do because we have seen far too many of those here in Skagit County. Erik Pedersen there is exhibiting the kind of behavior I've seen from him, very unprofessional, extremely unprofessional. It's kind of a sad thing that we have him in our our courts right now, and to think that he might become the prosecuting attorney it's a dreadful thought, trust me, for those who don't know. And he is a disgrace, and this whole relationship is really interesting when you consider the new evidence I presented, which is this campaign form from the PDC. And we find out Mr. Pedersen is in a contract, in a campaign effort, and working with Tobin, Meyer, and for some reason, our Lisa Janicki. Now, there's been a lot of speculation on what's going on here, and I have my theories, but that's for another video. I'll just tell you that the public needs to understand what's going on in these sheriff's office, in these courthouses with the people that I've been complaining about. When these other people come in, like Mr. King, and have their own experiences and share it, I think it only supports 100% the complaints that we've had and the problems we've had. It's not us, the citizens, it's them. And I hope you work with me. Everyone supports the effort to get rid of these people. We've gotten one of the most successful campaigns to eliminate the corruption here in Skagit County. We've only got a few of them left this year. If you had not noticed, the elections are coming up, and we have one of the greatest numbers of officials leaving office in our county's history, between resignations, retirements, and the public announcement they won't be seeking re-election. So we are successful, but there's more work to do. I am here always to work on it and to continue fighting this fight for all of us. So keep your eyes and ears open. I have more news coming soon. Thank you.